Hi, welcome to my channel today. Today is this video is all about creating a web page or a website. How we create a. I won't go it too complicated or too high level. It will be just the basic level things. I will start, then slowly I can go towards high level things. So how people create a web page? Every software engineer create a web page by using a tool. I'm using today the Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft gave us the tool, which is a software, which is a Visual Studio, which I installed from the Microsoft website. Once I installed it, I will we use a language. Microsoft gave us in an umbrella group of languages. I don't want to go too complicated today. I will just keep it simple. So I picked the language one, which is C sharp. In this language nowadays is very popular, and is the people are using it, and they create different websites, softwares, mobile application using this language. So I'm gonna use my C sharp, and we will definitely create a page, a simple page, and the same page people afterward I will show you in the next video how can we host that page on a server somewhere, so that it's like whenever you type www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, or it's like or different websites, when you type they always host somewhere on the server. But we're not gonna go that today, but we're gonna make just a website how software engineers make on their machines, computers, and after that they just deploy. There is as normally on a different companies there are separate teams for the deployment, so they deploy, but we will just make the website, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you today. So let's see how we gonna make the this little web page. I will show you in a Visual Studio. So let's start. This is the Visual Studio. You can see is this is the Visual Studio in which people make the websites. So with this, I'm gonna start project. It's a web application. So I will go in the section web. I will create a web form application. Let's give it my first uh, web application. I will give the name. This is the path where you want to store it. I normally just so suppose this is the path where it is storing. You can change the path as well. This is not with the MVC because we making with web form application. So I don't want to go that. But later in the future videos, I will show you MVC as well. It's a latest technique how we create web application. But today we're gonna keep it just simple. Okay, create directory from solution. Yes, fine. I checked it. So it will be in the solution. So yeah, let's okay. Finger crossed. So let's see. Taking long, but maybe the system is a bit slow. Maybe. So it is in the backend creating the web application. Ah, come on, come on. I will try to close next time. Rest of the things, it just try to open a lot of things, and that's why it's just taking long. Anyways, so this is my Visual Studio created something. Let's see in the Solution Explorer. This is the Solution Explorer. It default created a lot of things. So we can create an empty application because default it put a lot of things here, and like images, content, and account. Don't confuse yourself. No, I will create next time uh, just the empty application. But anyways, this is the application it created. So if we wanna go in one of the page, suppose default. If you think no, we wanna create our own, I will create our own. uh, web form, my first web page. Yeah. So we created that, and then it is created. So here I'm gonna show you. So there is always a HTML which we use H1. I'm using it. There is a H2 as well. Depending on how which size it, I will. H3 is different size. So I'm gonna show you with the H1 today first. So my first application. Yeah. So if you wanna run this page, I'm gonna go there, and my first web page I'm gonna click on as a startup page, and we can run it in. And you can see it's saying as a Google Chrome, and it's running. Now you will see your first web page. Sorry about that, it's just a lot of things I opened, but next time I will try to open less things. But anyway, this is our, it is running my first web page, as you can see here. My first application, there you go. So that's very nice, I'm very happy with that. So if you wanna suppose you think, oh, can we create some tables and images? Okay, normally what we do, I will teach you HTML as well in this lecture. Table, we normally always create a table. This is a there are some latest fashions available as well, like latest way of doing things with the bootstrap and other technologies, but I don't want to use those names in this lecture. I want to keep this simple and nice and easy. So suppose this is a table, tr row. I created a row because each screen, you can see, is like a table. Whenever it run on a web page, it is a table, and we suppose if we want to create something with like two columns, suppose td mean column, tr mean row. In one row we want to create two columns. So column one, on like column two, and another row if we want to create, in which, so let's copy this, so type in. So in this we wanna, oh, what's this came from? It's just rubbish. Yes. So column one, so name, like suppose we wanna give a name. Name name is Ahmad Faizan, and uh, company, suppose different column. Suppose we created two. So this is a table which contain two rows. First row contain two columns. Column one is called table. Column two is company. Second row contain two columns as well, which is, I put the name, and I put another call name, which is KanooteSoft. And this is my my first application heading. So if you want to give a proper name, like suppose this is a contact web page, right? Or like just we can say name details details web page. So let's run this. I'm gonna close this old. So it's showing now the name, company, and Muhammad Faizan, uh, and the company called KanooteSoft. Yeah, that's our first page. That's great. So I'm gonna show you another way of doing. Like this is hard code. Suppose if in the future you wanna uh, let's see, let's create, so this is, suppose if you wanna give a style a bit, yeah, you can style as well. uh, if you see here, it will give you a space style, and background, background image or anything you can suppose background color you wanna choose like maybe green any. Yeah, okay. And let's see, the whole table will be green now, it should be, if you will see. And other thing you can do, you can see the whole table is green. If you want to give spaces because it's so congested, so what you can do, you can give width like 100%. Yeah, which is I think width you can do, yeah. So that's width I give 100%. And you can give width here as well. uh, so let's see. So I do normally another better way. See, the width is the full screen. 100% mean full screen. So name is there, my name is there, and then the company is there, KanooteSoft is there. But normally, the headings are a bit bold. So what you can do normally, you can go there instead of back and forth. Sometime if you want to test something, you can go in inspect elements. You can see all your HTML which is rendered on the page is here, so you can try here as well. Suppose bold, bold, yeah. So see, name is become bold. So basically if you want to use this by, you can test like this here as well. But so it just, you don't have to back and forth come here, you can test all the HTML and copy and paste. Anyways, so the style, bold, bold, there you go. So let's see. So it doesn't, did it? It didn't. The name is board, but company is not. Oh, because we put in the wrong place. My bad. Sorry. So let's cut it from here. So cut. I click on Control plus X, which cut is a shortcut. It's always good to remember that shortcut keys as well. So paste there. Bold. No, these are bold and these are not. So let's see without stopping. I was stopping the Visual Studio to just test it. Does it change it or no? It's changed it. Company name, name is Muhammad Faizan, and company is KanooteSoft. And if you wanna type a third column as well, you can go there, another make another row. Let's type it so that you understand better. TR mean row. I think TR1. Okay. So yeah, TR is row, and in that TR you make first column, which and the second column. Yeah. So first column and the second column. So first column, which is a heading. Suppose if you wanna give a heading, okay. So right, email is suppose, yeah. So this is gonna be the third row. So this is the first row. So in the first row, we wanna make another suppose column. We will put a column called email, because it's gonna be the first row. If you see, first row which contain three columns, which we making as a heading, making them bold. Second row, two columns. Third row, two columns. Instead of two, we need to make another one, third one. If you wanna be leave blank for these two, the first two, you can leave it blank as well. But if you wanna put the email in the third one, you can put the email info KanooteSoft.co.uk, which is our company email. Let's save it and let's see what it does. Uh, There you go. So email is there, third column, first, because this is the first row. Email, company, and name is coming as from the first row. Second row contain these two names, because obviously these were empty in this. If you see, in this column was empty, and these two columns were empty in the third one. So which are these two columns were empty in the third one, the top two. In the third one we put the email, but we can put the in the top two as well something. But in this column, suppose this is a row. In this row there is one column was this, suppose KanooteSoft, Muhammad Faizan. So this is the second row. In second row, in which we put one, two, and third row is empty. This is the third row in which first two columns were empty. So see, third row, the first two columns are empty. The third is contain the email address. But in the second row, the third row is so I was telling you the third row contain first two columns empty. That's why the email is on the third one. The first two are empty, as you can see. Third row, which is the email one, contain the data in the third column, but the first two, as you can see, as a blank. So this is you draw your structure of the page, website details web page like I created in front of you, and this is how you create columns, and you can put any heading. Oh, I can show you. You can see this title is coming as a local or something, which is we can change as well. Title as well. Uh, Contact page. AGE. This is the title, which is always in the heading, and this is the body where I put all my HTML. Body is like of the web page, and overall everything is in a HTML, and this is just related to like page related things. Automatically in every page you can see this is our page inherit from, this is our page name. We'll go in a different lecture in detail about these things. Yeah, but yeah, just focus on this. Body is this in which you put a whole HTML, heading in which you put title and the HTML. That's it. So now if I refresh it, the title should be changed. Contact page. There you go. Well done. Well done to myself. Okay. So yeah, that was the lecture of today. So, guys, I hope you like my lecture in which you must have learned how to create a web page, simple web page. I hope you like this my video, and please, there's a link of our company in the description, which in which you can send us the email or anything, or you can ring on the given below phone numbers if you want to learn anything related to PHP, Java, Microsoft technology, or a graphic designing, or a WordPress. Me and my team, we got vast majority of experience in all these technologies. We're working in these technologies more than a decade. And if you want to help in any of these technologies, please do contact by our website link, which is given below in the description. If you see given below description, you will see that link, or you can contact and via phone, our phone numbers, office phone numbers. We will definitely keep in touch with you, and there is an email as well, which is info@kanootesoft.co.uk. You can contact us via that. Or if you want any software website development help regarding any software or website support or project management, no matter how big or small project it is, if it is a smaller website, one page application, we can help you with that as well. Or we can upskill your team as well, or a company, or if you are a group of students, or a single one-to-one training, please let us know. We can definitely help with one-to-one training, or a group of if you are a group of students, we can help with that as well. And if you want any help regarding any software website or any project management support, if you are a company, we can help. Me and my team can help you with that as well. We can give you a dedicated project management person, project manager, who can help you with that, or we can give you a software engineer senior or a front end designer. uh, we can help with that as well. Please let us know by clicking link given below and contact us form. Fill up the form, let us know what your requirement is. We will definitely, one of our team member will contact you or and help you as much. I hope you like it. Have a good day. Bye.